Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and today I will brief you about wrap text. So first of all, I will tell you that what are the benefits and what is the usage of wrap text. For example, if the length of the text is more than the size of the cell, then you have to use that option of wrap text. For example, in this cell, there is running running sum of the month. So the size of the cell is less as comparing to the text. So for this problem, if I want to fix that problem, I have to use the option of wrap text. I will just check that option and it will adjust the text as per the cell. So this is the way by which you can use the wrap text option. Like if I will uncheck it, it will be like this again. Okay, and if I want to show properly, and I will check it, okay, and it will be like this. So this is the way by which you can use the option of wrap text. It is a very important option. So this is all for this tutorial, and in next one we will learn about what is merge and what are the benefits of merging the cell. So thank you so much, and one more thing, that is you have to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.